Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Okay, fine. I hope you are all happy and fine. Isn't it? Okay. How do you feel after holidays? Yes, fine, isn't it? Have you completed your maths worksheet and homework, everything? Okay, good. Now, I will show your homework review. Just verify your answer. Okay. First question, 1 2 by 5 is equal to 1. That numerator is we want to find. Isn't it? We want to find the numerator. The denominator is 15. Now 1 2 by 5 is equal to, we can write the whole number is 1. That will not change. Already I said, isn't it? So now 5 3s are 15. The denominator is 15 means here 5 into 3 multiply by 3. So numerator also multiply by 3. So 2 3s are 6. That answer is 6. Then second one, simplest form. 356 by 84. Now we want to change into improper fraction. 308 by 84. Now we can find the prime factors of 308 and 84. What are the prime factors of 308? 2 into 2 into 7 into 11 by 84. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Now we can cut 7, 7, 2 and 2, again 2 and 2. Remaining 11 by 3. Here question is mixed fraction, so we can convert into mixed fraction. So what's the answer? 3, 2 by 3 is the answer. Okay. Now third question, 3 by 5, 1 by 2 and 7 by 10. This is convert into like fraction. This is unlike fraction is convert into like fraction. We want to change the denominator. Same, we need same denominator. So we can take LCM. 5, 2 and 10. What is the LCM? 2 5s are 10. Isn't it? Now we can multiply by 2. 5 into 2 means 10. So we can multiply by 2 in the numerator also. So 3 2s are 6 by 5 2s are 10. Then 1 into 5 divided by 2 into 5. 5 by 10. Then 7 by 10 means 1 into 1. Isn't it? So 7 by 10. Now we can, we got that like fractions. Isn't what are the like fractions? 6 by 10, 5 by 10 and 7 by 10 are like fractions. Isn't it? Okay students, already we are learned about types of fractions. Isn't it? Like fractions, unlike fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, complex fractions, simple fractions, etc. Isn't it? Okay. Today we are going to study about comparing fractions. Okay? Comparing fractions. Okay, comparing fractions. Fractions may be compared in two ways. Okay, in two ways. First one, change them into equivalent like fractions with the same denominator, and then compare the numerator is greater. Compare the numerator is greater. For example, like fractions means that same denominator, isn't it? For example, 1 by 4 and 5 by 4. 5 by 4. Now listen, change them into equal and like fractions with the same denominator and then compare the numerator is greater. Now we can compare which is greater. Same denominator means we can compare this numerator which is greater, 5. Isn't it? So 5 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. Clear? We have same denominator, we can compare the numerator. Which is greater? That fraction is a greater. So 1 and 5, compare 1 and 5, which is greater? 5 is greater. So 5 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. Clear? This is the first one. Then second point, change them into equivalent fractions with the same numerator. here same denominator, here same numerator, and then compare the denominators. We can compare the denominators, but the fractions with the smaller denominator is greater. For example, here numerator is same, isn't it? 11 by 10 and 13 by 10. Sorry, 11 by 10 and 11 by 13, because this numerator is same, isn't it? Numerator is same. We can compare the denominator, which is with the smaller denominator is greater. Here 10 and 13. Which is small? 10. So 11 by 10 is a greater. 11 by 10 is a greater. 11 by 10 is greater than 11 by 30. Are you clear? We have same numerator. We can compare the denominator, which is the smaller denominator, that is greater. Okay? Don't forget which is small, that is greater. We have same numerator, different denominator. We can compare these two denominator, which is small, that is the greater number. Okay? Are you clear? Compare the following fractions by writing less than, greater than or equal in the given box. Okay? Now here 5 by 4 and 6 by 4. 5 by 4 and 6 by 4. Listen here. Same denominator. Isn't it? Same denominator. Now we can compare the numerator. 5 and 6. Which is greater? 6. 6 is greater number. So 6 by 4 is a greater fraction. Isn't it? So 5 by 4 and 6 by 4. That's it. That is 5 by 4 is less than 6 by 4. Okay. Then second one. Here numerator is same. Numerator, same numerator, different denominator. Now we can compare this denominator. Numerator is same means we can compare denominator, which is small, that is a greater. Isn't it? Which is small, that is greater. So here 23 and 58. Here 23 is a small. So 7 by 23 is greater number. So we can write 7 by 23 is greater than 7 by 58. Are you clear? What's the difference? Same denominator, we can compare the numerator, which is greater, that is the greatest fraction. But same numerator means we can compare the denominator, which is small, that is greater. Don't forget, which is small denominator, that is greater. Are you clear? Okay. Now 1 by 20 and 1 by 20. Same denominator and same numerator. So this value is equal, isn't it? So we can write this symbol is equal to symbol. Okay. Now last one, 4 by 5 and 2 by 7. Now listen, here denominator is same, here numerators are same, here numerator and denominator same, but here numerator and denominator is different, isn't it? Different denominator and the numerator, isn't it? How can you find which is greater? Now we want to change the same denominator. 4 by 5 and 2 by 7. 4 by 5 and 4 by 5 and 2 by 7. Now we want to change the denominator. Is the same? We need same denominator. So we can take the LCM of 5 and 7. Okay. LCM of 5 and 7. 7 and 5 is a prime number. So we can multiply. That is the LCM. 5 is a prime number. Why this 5 is prime number? Exactly 2 factors. Isn't it? What are the factors of 5? 1 and that number itself, 5. 7 also 1 and 7. 1 table and that 7 table only. Isn't it? So here 1 and 5. So 5 sevens are 35. This is the LCM. Now 4 by 5. 4 by 5. 5 table, we 7 times will get 35, isn't it? Now 5 sevens are 35. I multiply by 7 in the denominator. Must we can multiply by 7 in the numerator also, isn't it? So here 7. 5 sevens are 35. 7 fours are 28. Okay. Now 2 by 7. 2 by 7. 7 table 5 times. 7 5s are 35. So multiply by 5. Numerator also multiply by 5. So 7 5s are 35. 2 5s are 10. Did you get same denominator? Yes. Now we can compare these two numerator. Now 28 by 35 and 10 by 35. Same denominator, we can compare the numerator. Which is greater? 28 is greater. So 28 by 35 is greater than 10 by 35. Now here 28 by 35 is a greater. 28 by 35 is 4 by 5, isn't it? 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is greater than 2 by 7. So 4 by 5 is greater than 2 by 7. Are you clear? What's the same denominator means? We can compare numerator. Which is the greater? That is greatest fraction. Same numerator means we can compare denominator. Which is small? That is greater. Okay. Same numerator and same denominator means that is equal. So 4 by 5 and 2 by 7 different denominator, different numerator means we can change the same denominator. After we can compare which is great. Okay. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order. What is ascending order? Small to big, isn't it? Small to big. Now first one, 4 by 11, 1 by 11, 10 by 11, 5 by 11 and 7 by 11. Now we can arrange in ascending order. Okay. Ascending order. Now listen here. Their denominators are same, isn't it? Now we can compare the numerator. Which is small? 1, isn't it? 1. Second, next one 4, then 5, then 7, then 10. Now we can arrange in ascending order, small to big. Now here 1 by 11 is less than, then 4 by 11, isn't it? 4 by 11, then 5 by 11, 5 by 11, then 7 by 11, then last one is 10 by 11, okay, 10 by 11. Are you clear? Here same denominator, so we can compare the numerator. Okay, then second, next one, ascending order. How can you arrange? Now listen, here different denominator, isn't it? Different denominator, maybe that is same numerator. Here one mixed fraction. Now we can change into improper fraction. Okay. Now here 3 by 4, then 3. 3 is the numerator. Denominator is 1. So we can write 3 by 1. Now we can convert into improper fraction. 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by 2. Isn't it? 1 by 2 is equal to 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 equal to 3 by denominator is 2. Clear? First multiplication 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 3 by 7, 3 by 5. Now we can write in ascending order. Okay, ascending order. Listen here, same numerator, different denominator. Same numerator, different denominator means we can compare the denominator which is small denominator that is greater, isn't it? Now ascending order means small to big, isn't it? Small to big. So which is big that is small, isn't it? Which is big that is small. 4, 1, 2, 7, 5. So here 7 is a big number, that is the small, isn't it? So we can write 3 by 7. Otherwise down we can write it down. 3 by 7 is greater than, isn't it? Which is big, that is small. Sorry, this is ascending order, isn't it? So less than. 3 by 7 is the small number. 3 by 7 less than. Then 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is less than. Then 4. 3 by 4 less than. Then 3 by 2. 3 by 2 less than. 3 by 1 or we can write 3. 3 means 3 by 1. Are you clear? Understand? Here same numerator means we can compare the denominator which is small that is greater, which is greater that is small. Small to big we can arrange for ascending order. So big number is, small number is 3 by 7. Next 3 by 5, 3 by 4, 3 by 2 and 3 by 1. Clear? Okay. Now third question, 5 by 6, 11 by 12, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 5 by 12. Different denominator and different numerator, isn't it? Now solution. Now we can change the same denominator, isn't it? Now we can take the LCM of this all denominators. So LCM of 6, 12, 3, 4 and 12 is equal to, now here 6, 12, 3, 4, 12. 2 table, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 3 is not in 2 table, so we can write 3. 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. Isn't it? Then again 2 table, 3 is not in 2 table, so we can write 3. 3 2s are 6. 3, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. Now here 3 table, 1 3 is 3, 1, 1, 1. Isn't it? What is the LCM? 2 into 3 equal to 12. 12 is the LCM. Now we can write one by one. 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Now we can multiply the denominator 6 table 2 times. We'll get 12, isn't it? 6 into 2. So numerator also multiply by 2. So 6 2s are 12. 5 2s are 10. Okay. Now we can write second fraction. 11 by 12. Already we have 12, isn't it? So no need to change, isn't it? No need to change this and this, isn't it? Otherwise we can multiply by 1. That is also correct. 11 by 12. Then 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 3 table 4 times. 8 divided by 12. Then 3 by 4. 4 into 3 table. Isn't it? Equal to 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. Then 5 by 12. 5 by 12 into 1 equal to 5 by 12. Isn't it? Now we can arrange. We got all same denominator. So we can arrange in ascending order. Isn't it? Now we can arrange in ascending order. Ascending order. Say 10, 11, 8, 9, 5. Small to big. Which is small? 5. So, 5 by 12 is less than, then 8 by 12. 8 by 12 less than 9 by 12 less than 10 by 12 less than 11 by 12. 11 by 12. Okay. Now we can arrange the question. Isn't it? 5 by 6. Here 5 by 12 means 5 by 12 means 5 by 12. Isn't it? Okay. Then 8 by 12 means 2 by 4. Isn't it? 2 by 4. So we can write the answer, last final answer. We can use the question. Okay. 5 by 12 is 5 by 12 is less than. Then 8 by 12. 8 by 12 means 2 by 3. Isn't it? 2 by 3. So we can write 2 by 3 is less than. Then 9 by 12. 9 by 12 means 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is less than. 10 by 12. 10 divided by 12. Which is 10 by 12? 5 by 6. Isn't it? 5 by 6 is less than. Last one is 11 by 12. Isn't it? 11 by 12. Okay. We can use the questions and arrange in ascending order. In a different denominator, different numerator means we can find the LCM of the denominator. We'll get the LCM 12. Now we can change the denominator, same denominator. Now after we can write in ascending order. First we want to change the same denominator. After we can arrange in ascending order. Okay, are you clear? Following fractions in descending order. Okay, first one is ascending order, small to big. This is descending order. Descending order means big number to small number. Now listen here, first one, 1 by 7. This is mixed fraction. Here one more mixed fraction, 3 2 by 7. Now we want to change into improper fraction, isn't it? Now 1 by 7, isn't it? 1 by 7 is equal to 1 into 7, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 7, 3, 2 by 7 equal to 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2, 23 by 7. Isn't it? 23 by 7. Now we can write ascending order. One by 7 is equal to 8 by 7, isn't it? Here, otherwise we can write one more time this question. 1 by 7. So that is 8 by 7. Then 5 by 7. Then 3 2 by 7 is 23 by 7. 1 by 7 and 3 by 7. Isn't it? Now ascending order. Ascending order. Which is here denominator all. Sorry, this is descending order, isn't it? Descending order. Here denominator, all denominators same denominator. So we can compare numerator. Here which is first we want to write greater, isn't it? Which is greater 23. So 23 by 7 is greater than. Then 8 by 7 greater than 5. 5 by 7 greater than 3 by 7 is greater than 1 by 7. Clear? Descending order means big to small. Now second question for descending order. Okay. Now here different denominator and different numerator, isn't it? Now we can write the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now 1 2 by 3 equal to 1 into 3, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 by 3. Okay. Now 1 3 by 5 equal to 1 into 5, 5. 5 plus 3, 8 by 5. Then 1 11 by 30 equal to 1 into 30, 30 plus 11, 41 by 30. Okay. Now what are the fractions? Now we can write once again these fractions. 3 by 5. Then 1 2 by 3 is 5 by 3. Then 1 3 by 5 is 8 by 5. Then 1 11 by 30 is 41 by 30. Then 2 by 3. Now we can check the LCM. LCM of 5, 3, 5, 30 and 3. Isn't it? Is equal to 5, 3, 5, 30 and 3. 5, 3, 5, 30 and 3. Now we can take LCM 3 table. 5, 1, 3 is 3. 5 is not in 3 table, so we can write 5. 1, 10 3s are 30. Then 1 3 is 3. Then again 5 table. 1 5 is 5. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 1. Now 2 table. 1 1 1. Now what is the LCM? 3 into 5 into 2. 5 3s are 15. 15 into 2 is 30. 30 is the LCM. Now we can write 3 by 5 into 6 multiplied by 6 because 6 5s are 30. We need 30, isn't it? So 30, then 6 3s are 18. Now second one, 5 by 3. 3 into 10 into 10 equal to 5 10s are 50 by 30. Now 8 by 5. 8 by 5. 5 into 6, isn't it? 6 5s are 30. 6 8s are 48. Then 41 by 30. Already we have 41 by 30. So we can multiply by 1. Otherwise we can write 41 by 30. Now 2 by 3, isn't it? 2 by 3. 3 into 10. So 20 by 30. Clear? Now we can arrange in descending order. What is the descending order? Same denominator. We can compare the numerator. Big to small. Which is big? 50, isn't it? 50 by 30. 50 by 30 is greater than. Then 48. 48 by 30 is greater than. Then 41 by 30 is greater than. 50, 48, 41. 18 and 20, which is greater? 20, isn't it? So 20 by 30 is greater than. Then 18. 18 by 30. Now we can use the question, isn't it? 50 by 30. 50 by 30 means 5 by 3, isn't it? So 5 by 3 means 1, 2 by 3. So 1, 2 by 3 is greater than. Next, 48 by 30. 48 by 30 means 8 by 5. 8 by 5, 1, 3 by 5, isn't it? 1, 3 by 5 is greater than. Then 41 by 30 means 41 by 30, 1, 11 by 30. 1, 11 by 30 is greater than. Then 20 by 30. 20 by 30 means 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 2 by 3, isn't it? 50 by 30. Then 48 by 30, 41 by 30, 20 by 30. Then last one is 18 by 30. That is 3 by 5. Isn't it? Is greater than 3 by 5. Clear? Descending order means big to small. Okay, descending order means big to small. Today's homework, book page number 38, exercise 4.1, question number 5, fourth question, question number 6, fifth question. Fourth question, question number 5, fourth question, question number 5, question number 6, fifth question. This is ascending order. this is descending order. Okay students? Okay, we can see next class. Thank you.